Since its introduction in 2010, SANS SEC 573 has been the premier class for information security professionals seeking to gain a better understanding of Python. Python is a core fundamental skill essential to information security professionals, as is evidenced by the multitude of SANS classes that have Python content in it, ranging anywhere from one module to multiple days. We teach Python in our 200 level classes and our 700 level classes. And if students really want to understand and master these skills, they come to SEC 573. But many students have avoided this class for fear of the difficulty of learning how to code. But now, with the emergence of artificial intelligence, AI assisted code development, or vibe coding as it's called, it makes these skills accessible to a much larger audience. The overwhelming push to implement AI in organizations means that a surface level understanding of how to leverage Python is no longer an option for information security professionals. The March 2026 update of SEC 573 is the largest rewrite in course history, and it reflects this change in market forces and the demand for AI. This is not just adding some AI to an existing course, it's really a complete rewrite with a focus making it a 100% AI course. Students attending SEC 573 will still learn the essentials of Python as they always have, and the aspects of SEC 573 that students love, such as PyWars and self-paced training, will remain core staples of the class. But now all the elements point directly to artificial intelligence. They will learn the essentials of how AI works, specifically LLM, and how they can automatically complete large Python programs using them. They will learn how to maximize their productivity by using AI code writing agents to write software for them. They will learn how to debug those programs and escape the typical AI workflow of rewriting and breaking entire programs when a simple code change will do the trick. They'll learn how to write an MCP server so that they can securely give AI enabled automation frameworks access to internal data. By the end of the course, students will be writing AI agents to allow them to automatically analyze Windows registries with voice prompts like, "What programs start automatically at boot?" They'll write log analysis agents where they can ask questions like, "Analyze log 10 and identify any unusual host names." They'll learn to write SQL enabled AI agents so that they can query their Firefox browser history with voice prompts like, "What inappropriate websites were visited in October of 2025?" They'll see how to write agents that can analyze packet captures, where they can ask it questions like, "Examine the packet capture. How many login failures did Lilith have?" Typically, large language models have problems answering these types of questions because they're non deterministic and they have a limited context window. The limited context window means that they can't load the entire packet capture into their memory at one time. And the fact that they're non deterministic means that after reading only a portion of that packet capture, they'll think that they're done answering the question, that they've seen enough data. In this class, we'll teach you how to understand what those limitations are and how to build scaffolding using traditional Python coding around the artificial intelligence engine so that it can answer those difficult questions and many more difficult questions that we face in information security today. So, when you're ready to really tackle the tough information security challenges that we face by leveraging Python, AI based code writing agents, large language models, and MCP, come see me at SEC 573. And if you've really got what it takes, then prove it to the rest of the world by getting your GPYC GROC certification. See the links in the description for more information.